welcome back to my channel, and I hope everyone's week is going great. Thank you all for joining me once again for a CVS haul video. I went back to CVS and I picked up some items and I decided to share it with you guys. The first deal I picked up was on Halls Cough Drop. They on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two you get $2 back. So I picked up two. One will be full price and the second one will be $1.80. These two will total $5.39. I don't have any coupon, but in my email, I have a $2 CRT for cough and cold that we use with this deal. That will take off $2 and drop it down to $3.39, and I'll get $2 back. Then check Ibotta is giving back $1 on each, limit of 5. After the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up free and 61 cents moneymaker. I checked out these two items by itself and it worked out very well. The $2 CRT came off. I used $2 extra care box from Pharmacy Reward and $1.17 from the 2% we get back for every purchase we made, and paid just 21 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got back $2 extra care box for buying these two. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $2. That's $1 for each pack. Because I used the free extra care box for this deal, this ended up being $3.79 moneymaker for me. If you're doing this deal the regular way, this will end up being free and 61 cents moneymaker. The next deal I have is on 1 liter scoop mouthwash. They're on sale for $4.99 and they're part of the buy 2 get 3 back, limit of 2. I picked up 2 and they will total $9.98. We have 2 coupons in our app that will double dip. We have $1 off and $4 off when you buy 2. Both will double dip and take off $5. I also have a 2 off 10 oral care CRT that will also apply to this deal. The CRT and the 2 coupons will take off $6 and drop it down to $2.98. And I'll get $6 back because I'm doing this deal twice. And that will end up making these two free and $3.02 moneymaker. This transaction worked out very well. The 4 off 2 came off and the $1 double dipped. My 2 off 10 CRT also applied. I used $2 extra care box, paid just 98 cents plus tax out of pocket, and I got $6 back, making them free and $3.02 moneymaker. The next deal I picked up will be on Cottonelle bath tissues. They're on sale for $9.99 and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. I'll pick up 2 and both will total $19.98. I have a $1 digital coupon everybody's supposed to have unless you've used yours. You can use it with this deal. I will also use a 5 off 20 CVS CRT from the pharmacy. That will take off 6 and drop it down to $13.98, and I'll get 5 back, making them just $8.98 or $4.49 each. Let's go over my receipt and see how this worked out. The $1 coupon came off. I used $11 extra care box and the 5 off 20 shows the $5 CVS coupon, paid $2.98 out of pocket, and I got back $5, making them just $8.98 or $4.49 each. The next deal I'm going to pick up is buy 2 get $7 back on Aveeno or Neutrogena facial care, and I'll pick up the Aveeno facial cleanser priced at $8.99 and Neutrogena daily cleanser priced at $12.99. These two will total $21.98. We have a $3 coupon in our app for the Neutrogena and a $5 off for the Aveeno. I also have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena Aveeno facial care CRT. That will take off $13 and drop it down to $8.98, and I'll get 7 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. I'm going to do the Activate Reward deal of the spend 40 get 20, so I will include the Lubriderm and Aveeno deal to this transaction. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. I'll pick up the Lubriderm lotion price at $11.99 and 1 Aveeno lotion price at $11.99. Since both are priced the same, one will just be 40% off. That means one will be $11.99 and the second one will be $7.19. These two will total $19.18. This will be my transaction for the spend 40 get 20 back for the activate reward, and the total is $41.16. And I have another 5 off 20 CRT from pharmacy. I mentioned earlier on that I have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena Aveeno facial care CRT that I will also use in this transaction. I'll be able to use both because my total is $41.16 and $21.98 covers for the Aveeno Neutrogena facial care CRT. Because I have a $1.98 overage for that, that was able to help me cover the second CRT because my total for the Aveeno lotion and the lubricant was just $19.18, and that's not within the 98% rule to use the 5 of 20. If you have any question on this, you can leave it in the comment section and I will explain more about CRTs. The coupons I'll use in this transaction are $5 for the Aveeno Daily Cleanser, $3 for the Neutrogena, a $3 for the Aveeno Lotion, and $3 for the lubricant. And that's $14 in coupon and $10 in CRT. That will take off $24 and drop it down to $17.16. And I'll get $7 back for buying 2 of the Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care, $4 back for the lotion, and I also submit my receipt to Ibotta for $3 back for the lubricant, then submit my receipt to Activate Reward for $20 back for spending $40. That will end up making this transaction free and $13.96 moneymaker. This transaction worked out very well. All my coupons are applied and my 2 CRTs came off. The 5 off 20 showed as CVS coupon. I used $15 extra care box, paid $2.16 out of pocket, and I got back $7 for the buy 2 get 7 back and $4 back for buying 2 lotions. I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for the lubricant lotion and I got back $3. I also submitted my receipt to Activate Reward for $20 back for when I spent $40. I'm still waiting on that one. The last 2 items I picked up is not giving back any extra care box. In my new account, I have 2 $2 off CVS brand oral care CRT that we use. So I'll pick up 2 of the ones priced at $1.99 each. They on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. That means these 2 will total $2.98. And with the 2 CRTs I have, one of them will adjust down. I checked these 2 out and I used the 2 CRTs I have. One of them adjusted down to 98 cents and I paid 0 out of pocket, making them free. And I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta. And one of the toothbrushes attached to CVS Health Baby and Kids Oral Care, giving back 25 cents, and the other one gave back 20 cents. These 2 ended up free and 45 cents moneymaker. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.